You don't need extra time to learn English.
Just live your life and shadow with us.
Let's speak English while living our day. You listen. You repeat. You speak. Don't think. Just shadow.
Every sentence will be repeated twice. Speak with me.
Ready?
Let's begin.
When you begin cleaning,
I start cleaning my room. I start cleaning my room.
choose one thing and begin.
I pick one small area to start with. I pick one small area to start with.
While putting things away,
I put things back where they belong. I put things back where they belong.
when making your bed,
I fold the blanket neatly. I fold the blanket neatly.
while arranging pillows,
I place the pillows in the right position. I place the pillows in the right position.
to refresh the room,
I open the window for fresh air. I open the window for fresh air.
when dealing with clothes,
I collect the clothes from the floor. I collect the clothes from the floor.
sorting them,
I separate clean and dirty clothes. I separate clean and dirty clothes.
laundry basket moment,
I put the dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I put the dirty clothes in the laundry basket.
wipe the table,
I wipe the table slowly. I wipe the table slowly.
dust the edges,
I clean the dust from the corners. I clean the dust from the corners.
sweep the floor,
I sweep the floor with calm movements. I sweep the floor with calm movements.
declutter mentally too,
I throw away things I don't need. I throw away things I don't need.
organize your desk,
I organize my desk neatly. I organize my desk neatly.
minimalist mindset,
I keep only what I really need. I keep only what I really need.
smile at progress,
I see progress and I feel proud. I see progress and I feel proud.
deep breath moment,
I take a deep breath and continue. I take a deep breath and continue.
stay focused,
I focus on one task at a time. I focus on one task at a time.
let go,
I release things that don't serve me anymore. I release things that don't serve me anymore.
celebrate effort,
I admire my clean space. I admire my clean space.
when organizing clothes,
I fold the clothes and stack them neatly. I fold the clothes and stack them neatly.
when hanging clothes,
I hang the clothes so they stay wrinkle-free. I hang the clothes so they stay wrinkle-free.
when choosing what to keep,
I choose only what brings value to my life. I choose only what brings value to my life.
feeling peace,
A clean space gives me a clear mind. A clean space gives me a clear mind.
end of cleaning. My room feels calm and peaceful.
My room feels calm and peaceful.
Before leaving the room, I am proud of my effort today.
I am proud of my effort today.
Start cooking.
I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen.
Before touching food,
I wash my hands first. I wash my hands first.
prep ingredients.
I take out the vegetables. I take out the vegetables.
Wash them.
I wash the vegetables with clean water. I wash the vegetables with clean water.
Chop carefully.
I chop the vegetables slowly and safely.
I chop the vegetables slowly and safely. Turn on stove.
I turn on the stove.
I turn on the stove. Oil moment.
I add a little oil to the pan.
I add a little oil to the pan. Cooking.
I stir the vegetables gently.
I stir the vegetables gently. Seasoning.
I add salt and spices.
I add salt and spices. Adjusting taste.
I taste and adjust the flavor.
I taste and adjust the flavor. Energy to eat mindfully.
I eat slowly and enjoy every bite.
I eat slowly and enjoy every bite. Water habit.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink a glass of water. Kitchen cleanup.
I wash the dishes carefully.
I wash the dishes carefully. Wiping surface.
I clean the kitchen counter.
I clean the kitchen counter. Step outside. I step outside. I step outside. Fresh air. I feel the fresh air on my face. I feel the fresh air on my face. Slow walking. I walk slowly and enjoy the moment. I walk slowly and enjoy the moment. Awareness. I observe what's around me. I observe what's around me. Nature moment. I look at the trees and the sky. I look at the trees and the sky. Breathing. I inhale peace and exhale stress.
I inhale peace and exhale stress.
Confidence. I walk with confidence and calmness.
I walk with confidence and calmness.
Gratitude. I enjoy moving my body.
I enjoy moving my body.
Recognize your growth. I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
Celebrate progress. I am proud of my progress.
I am proud of my progress.
Be fearless.
I speak without fear of mistakes. I speak without fear of mistakes.
Trust the journey.
My English gets better naturally. My English gets better naturally.
Confidence.
I did my best today. I did my best today.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I will speak even better. Tomorrow, I will speak even better.
Evening peace starts with slowing down.
I slow down and relax after a long day. I slow down and relax after a long day.
Let go of the rush.
I take off my shoes and sit comfortably. I take off my shoes and sit comfortably.
Hydrate again.
I drink another glass of water. I drink another glass of water.
Tidy up your space before rest.
I put everything back in its place. I put everything back in its place.
Make the room cozy.
I light a candle or switch on soft lights. I light a candle or switch on soft lights.
Relaxing sound.
I play calm music in the background. I play calm music in the background.
Reflect for a moment.
I think about the good things that happened today. I think about the good things that happened today.
Breathe deeply.
I take a deep breath and feel peaceful. I take a deep breath and feel peaceful.
Take care of your body.
I stretch my arms and legs gently. I stretch my arms and legs gently.
Self-care moment.
I wash my face and brush my teeth. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Prepare for tomorrow.
I check my to-do list for tomorrow. I check my to-do list for tomorrow.
Simple gratitude.
I thank myself for doing my best today. I thank myself for doing my best today.
Night calm.
I turn off my phone and enjoy silence. I turn off my phone and enjoy silence.
Reflect quietly.
I close my eyes and feel calm inside. I close my eyes and feel calm inside.
Inner talk.
I tell myself, I am enough. I tell myself, I am enough.
Peaceful moment.
I relax my mind and body completely. I relax my mind and body completely.
Now let's talk about growth and mindset. I am learning something new every day.
I am learning something new every day.
Even small progress counts.
I celebrate small wins. I celebrate small wins.
Patience reminder.
I grow slowly but surely. I grow slowly but surely.
Learning attitude.
I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes.
Confidence booster.
I speak English with more confidence now. I speak English with more confidence now.
Positive mindset. I stay positive and keep going.
I stay positive and keep going.
Believe in consistency.
I practice a little every day. I practice a little every day.
Motivation for tomorrow.
I'm ready for a new day of learning. I'm ready for a new day of learning.
Encourage yourself.
I am proud of how far I've come. I am proud of how far I've come.
Self-talk matters.
I speak kindly to myself. I speak kindly to myself.
Keep your vision clear.
I know why I started this journey. I know why I started this journey.
Motivational energy.
I can do anything with practice. I can do anything with practice.
Trust the process.
I trust my progress and effort. I trust my progress and effort.
Growth mindset.
I am not perfect, but I am improving. I am not perfect, but I am improving.
English learning affirmation.
My English will get better every single day. My English will get better every single day.
Shadowing reminder. I listen, I repeat, I speak.
I listen, I repeat, I speak.
Believe in effort. Practice makes progress.
Practice makes progress.
End your day strong. I end my day with gratitude.
I end my day with gratitude.
Peaceful closure. I feel calm, confident, and happy.
I feel calm, confident, and happy.
Final self-promise. I will continue improving every day.
I will continue improving every day.
Night reflection continues with calm energy.
I forgive myself for today's mistakes. I forgive myself for today's mistakes. Let go of any tension. I release all stress from my body. I release all stress from my body. Find gratitude in small things. I am thankful for this peaceful night. I am thankful for this peaceful night. Imagine your dreams. I imagine my goals coming true. I imagine my goals coming true. Embrace self-belief. I believe in my ability to improve. I believe in my ability to improve. Stay kind to yourself.
I talk to myself with kindness.
I talk to myself with kindness.
Prepare your heart for tomorrow.
I feel excited for a new beginning. I feel excited for a new beginning.
Welcome peace before sleep.
I breathe slowly and smile softly. I breathe slowly and smile softly.
Let the day go with gratitude.
I thank this day for everything it taught me. I thank this day for everything it taught me.
And finally, rest with calmness.
I close my eyes and sleep peacefully. I close my eyes and sleep peacefully. If you've shadowed all the sentences with us, you've done something amazing today.
Yes, you didn't just clean or cook, you improved your English while living your real life.
Remember, progress doesn't come from perfection, it comes from practice.
So keep shadowing with us every day, even when you're walking, cleaning, or relaxing.
And guess what? We've made a free PDF of all 100 sentences, so you can practice anytime.
The PDF link is available in the video description below. Don't forget to download it.
If you enjoyed this session, like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
And make sure to subscribe to Toon Talk English, your space to learn real English through real life.
See you in the next episode. Keep
Keep
speaking,
shining.
keep shining.
Keep shining.